Okay. Hi, welcome back to You Can Linux. So today we're on Sparky Linux 8.1. This distribution is based on Debian, and you might be wondering, hey Roder, why didn't you show the install? Well, that's because today I wanted to focus on weird desktops, and Sparky Linux is a great way to experience those. A funny story though, I do kind of regret not showing the install because there were a couple funny things that happened during that. First of all, when I tried to launch the installer in the live CD, it was like, Calamares is not an authorized app. What? That's the installer you bundled with the live CD. Calamares is just a generic installer that a lot of distros use if they don't have the time, money, or want to make their own installer. And to tell you the truth, most independent distros do use Calamares, I would say, just because why reinvent the wheel? Calamares works just fine, and that's perfectly valid. But then, when I was trying to type in my password, I tried to use my usual, shitty password, and it was like, you can't continue because it's not secure enough. So I literally just added the number 2 to the end of it, and it let me go on. Like, really? Come on. What are we doing here? Alright, well, anyway, enough talking shit about this distro. It's a fine distro, despite those little hiccups. At least I think it's a fine distro. I haven't actually used this on a day-to-day basis. The only times I've ever used this distro was to look at these weird-ass desktops. So, to get these weird desktops, I started with just XFCE here. This is just your basic XFCE, and I customize it a little bit with the logo here. And again, I just want the focus to be on the desktops. I will say, though, I did hear a story about this Amish guy, or maybe it was a Mennonite, that, he used a computer for a store, and, when he was done doing his business stuff, he just shut it down, it was just there just for business. He didn't really have internet or anything either, but it ran Sparky Linux. All right, so we just go to the Aptist App Center here, go into desktops, and I'm not going to try all of these, because some of these are not weird desktops, right? Like, we've already kind of sort of covered Enlightenment. Cinnamon just comes with Linux Mint. GNOME Shell is just, just comes with, Fedora or Ubuntu if you want GNOME. KD, we're also not going to look at, Really, I'm only interested in, let me see here, CDE and Lumina, MLVWM, NSCD, and maybe we'll take a peek at OpenBox and OpenBox Noir. I'm not sure what OpenBox Noir is. And then we'll look at PECWM, and Window Maker, and Trinity, of course. And I think I'll finish it off with Sugar. And I'll do Sugar last just because I'm not sure I'll be able to get back out of it. Sugar's a really weird one. So let's start off with CDE. And I'll explain later why I'm not too worried about this one not working at all. So we'll click on CDE. Hello? What happened? Okay, there we go. Okay, and we're just going to install that. Did it work? I think it worked. Hey, there we go. Yes, I would like to continue. Really love how the terminal popped up behind the Aptist screen so that I couldn't see it to hit yes. Need a little drinky here. Today's drink is A&W Zero Sugar. I've had a lot of, mucus in my throat, but I'm not coughing. So it's like, it's just kind of stuck there. Oh, hey, enter. Okay, so in fact, why don't we just go ahead and install all of them? So we had CDE, and I think I wanted Lumina. Okay, we're just going to get rid of this screen. Install. For fuck's sakes. Okay, that was weird. Yes, I would like to continue. Enter. Okay. Okay, so Sparky Linux 8 is based on Trixie. You can see the Ubuntu Xenial. What? Ubuntu Xenial? What are they pulling from Ubuntu Xenial? If you don't know what Ubuntu Xenial is, so every version of Ubuntu has a code name. Oh, we're done with installing that. Every version of Ubuntu has a code name, and the code name is basically an adjective and an animal, and it goes in like alphabetical order. So like 1 year was Jaunty Jackalope. There was one called Groovy Gorilla. What did I just install? I just installed the second one, so that was Lumina, and then I'm going to install MLVWM. But anyway, one was called Disco Dingo. There was Groovy Gorilla, Hirsute Hippo, Lunar Lobster, Cosmic Cuttlefish, and oftentimes people will refer to these code names by the by the adjective, right? So, you know, if you wanted to refer to Cosmic Cuttlefish, you'd say Cosmic, you know. Well, Ubuntu 16.04, they were on X, right? Now, the previous version was it's funny because like the previous like 2 or 3 versions were like Utopic Unicorn, Wily Werewolf, Yakety Yak, and then it shouldn't happen. Report it to Sparky Forums, please. Okay. Let me try that again. Okay. I'll just leave that. And then we'll do what? Okay, Sparky Desktop. Okay. NSCDE. What's the... Oh, dear God. Oh, okay. Oh, dear God. Oh, God. Look what's going on. Oh, God. What shouldn't happen? What am I reporting? What the fuck? Okay, so last time was NSCDE. So next we're just going to do OpenBox. I hope these are installing correctly. Otherwise, this is going to be a short episode. I thought it was going to go really long today. Okay, so I said next we're going to do OpenBox. Wait. Okay. So, no, we don't want to do OpenBox again. We want to say yes to this. Okay. And come on. Enter. Okay. If everything went well, okay. So let's see here. Then I wanted OpenBox Noir because I've never used that. If you ever use Bunsen Labs Linux, that uses basically bare OpenBox with a couple utilities installed along with it. Yes. Okay. And then after that was PECWM. This might be a tiling window manager. There's a reason I skipped over i3. It's because it's a tiling window manager, and I do terrible with tiling window managers. I can never remember the key combinations. Okay. And then PECWM. I think I skipped over Awesome WM as well, because that's also a tiling window manager. Okay. Yes, install that. And next up is Sugar. Okay. And there we go. Sorry, need another drink there. Okay. So Sugar, and then we just need to install Trinity and Window Maker. Come on. Oh, this is taking a while, huh? What are we? What? Okay. I don't know. Maybe all these desktops are like conflicting with each other. Oh boy. Well, we'll try Trinity next. Yeah, this may end up being an entire clusterfuck. Ooh, a lot to install here for Trinity. Well, it is a fork of KD Plasma, so well, don't worry. We'll explain further when we cross that bridge there. Okay. It comes with Conqueror. Mirror.ppa.trinitydesktop.org. TDM Trinity. Okay. Okay. You know what? We'll just switch over. Shouldn't be an issue. I hope. Yeah. And if you don't know, a DM is a display manager. It's basically when you first turn on your computer, it allows you to log into your desktop session and choose whether you want to what desktop session you want to boot into, such as, you know, if you have both GNOME and KDE installed, you can choose whether to open up a GNOME session or a KDE session. All right, next up's Window Maker. Come on, there we go. Oh, it's maintained by Pavru. I don't know who Pavru is, but he's maintaining it. Yes. Okay. Alright, looks like that one went well as well. And I think that was the last one. Okay, so let's log out and check out our new desktops. Why did I open that up? Okay. Wait, no, I didn't want to do that either. Okay, log out. That's what I want to do. It didn't even lock the screen. Okay. Went back down to 4K. That is not a good sign. Oh, shit. Oh, no, I revealed my password to the world because it didn't automatically put my username in the usernames field. My super secure password. Oh, no. That doesn't bode well. And also, I forgot to switch to a different desktop. Okay. Where do I... Okay, up here. All right, we'll try CDE first. Okay, Stan. And then my password. Oh, hey, there we go. Oh, everything's tiny. No. No, 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 no. Oh, God. Oh, I was hoping that if I switched it over to 1080p on the on XFCE, it would carry over to every other desktop, but okay. Let's see here. So this is CDE, and CDE stands for the Common Desktop Environment. As you can see, it looks really old because it is. In fact, this desktop predates Linux. So, yeah. Yeah. I actually have, on my personal YouTube channel, I uploaded a CD demo, and in it I opened up Firefox and I showed it to some people, and somebody was like, "It looks like you shoved an iPhone into an old CRT." So yeah, actually, let's go ahead and open up Firefox. This looks like a calendar. I can't read that. RPC CMSD is not responding for your username. What the? Okay, you know, we're not going to worry about that. We're just going to close it by going up here to the right. That did not close it. Okay. Does this close it? Oh no, but I can close it by, yeah, there we go. Okay. As you can see, there are 4 desktops. Oh, I can rename them. Desktop 3 is now named Butts. In case you can't see it. I know some of you are probably watching on a phone, and I'm sorry, but unless I can figure out how to lower the resolution on this, okay, so that's the printer button, and I didn't find any printers. That's because I don't own any printers. What's this? Oh, that's a text editor. Sorry, guys. I'm squinting here as well. Okay, that's the file manager. Where do I go to launch programs? Maybe if I... No, don't exit. Don't exit yet. What? Oh, that locks the display. Then you have to type in your password to unlock it. Oh yeah, that is a little lock symbol in it. Oh, that's a clock over here. Sorry, I'm leaning forward so I can see this. No, I accidentally clicked the exit again. What? 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 Oh my God! Oh, God damn it! Here, restart workspace. Yeah, okay. That didn't work. What? Uh, help! Help! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Oh wait! Minimize restore front panel. Oh, thank God. Okay, what's this? The trash can. That could have been a disaster. What is this? Style manager. Oh, screen. I have a screensaver. Nothing for resolution. Oh. Huh. Mouse, keyboard, backdrop, color. Oh, they've got all sorts of, util. Yeah, there's, yeah, that's already on a different one. Woolly. Yeah, brick wall, because I feel like I'm running up against a brick wall. I accidentally printed on printer again. Oh, here we go. This is the app launcher. Okay. System. Aha, the Kaja. Oh, this comes with VirtualBox pre-installed, not the desktop, Sparky Linux, I'm assuming. Okay. Graphic? No, wait, that's, yeah, that's stuff like GIMP. Tech? Okay, yeah, that's, oh, come on! There's no way to up the, resolution, or lower the resolution, is there? What's under desktop apps? I mean, unless I want to use a terminal, but I don't wanna. Okay, let's try internet. Why are both Chromium and Firefox installed? Why is Skype installed? That is a dead service. I don't know if you can see it, but there's Skype just installed right there. Okay. Here. Okay. XR and R. Change resolution to 1080p. Oh, fuck. I forgot about ads. Oh, God damn it. Okay, you know what? Fuck. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna stumble and figure it out myself. What's desktop tools? XWD display. Oh. Okay, terminal console. Okay, XR and R. Okay, let's try man. XR and R. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, how do I change the fucking resolution? Come on. This should be like the number one thing in the manual. Ah. Okay, you know what? I think we're just going to call this a wash. We're just going to call this one a wash. Okay. But I mean, you kind of saw it, right? You can kind of see it. Yes, I would like to log out. Thank you. Okay, let's do something else. Fluxbox. I didn't install that. Let's try Lumina. Let's see here. Scan and then password. What? The fuck was that? Okay. Okay, browse applications. Okay, come on, come on. Please, please, please let there be an easy way to change the resolution. I'm just looking for system settings. Okay, system. PC man, file manager. Oh, for God's sakes. Come on. Oh, that's a shame. I've never used Lumina before. Oh, preferences, preferences. Okay, okay. Configure desktop. Okay, okay. Monitor settings. Fuck yeah. Let's go. Fuck yes. 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 Oh, yes. Oh, wait. Yes, everything's okay. Everything's okay. Ooh, yes. Okay. Okay. Now we're using the Lumina desktop. I've never used this before. And oh, yes. Okay. Can I easily, as you heard, I already switched it over, but can I easily do that from here? Can I easily this mini PC has an issue where when you first install Linux, sorry, I forgot to mention, when I went to install this default system name for the computer was derp-x8664, and so I thought that was funny, so I just left it there. Derp. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna dwell too much on that, but yeah. Oh, look, it's got a theme engine. Let's see here. What does this look like? Apply. Here, apply. Yeah, there we go. Oh wait, it has a CDE theme. Um, hmm. Whoa, shit. Okay, there we go. Huh. Now let's just leave it at default. What do we got effects on? I don't know what a combo box is, but I want it animated. Let's animate the tooltip effects, toolbox. I don't know what a toolbox is. Dialog buttons, layout. Okay, so this is like, if I hit Mac OS, it'll oh, wait, okay. So this isn't like the window decorations, like the, the close minimize and all that. Okay. I'm not gonna fuck with fonts. Oh, we've got several different icons we can choose from. Let's see here. Now, cursors. All we got is Adwaita and Sugar. Adwaita is the default GNOME style. General styles, desktop styles. Well, that was a bit underwhelming. Well, why is my cursor giant? What happened to my cursor? What have you done to my cursor? Tint 2. Oh, right, Tint 2 for the thing. For open box. Okay. Oh boy. I'm having problems. Wait. Maybe There we go. Okay. Yippee, we did it. Okay. So, browse applications. All right. So, oh, X screensaver settings. The guy who okay. So yeah, the guy who made this, Jamie Zawinski, he's a pretty interesting guy, and he seems to have, well, he doesn't seem to, he has a lot of beef with like Debian and a lot of other like distros that ship really dated versions of X screensaver to their users in their stable channel. Yeah. If you've never seen X screensaver, it's a pretty neat little thing. Oh, look, it's a recreation of that Windows Maze screensaver. Meta balls? balls. Yeah. Now I'm just looking at X screensaver stuff. Oh, hey, I remember this one. This is another old Windows one. Platonic solids that turn inside out and get spiky. The Nakagin capsule tower was demolished in 2022, but this version will continue to grow forever? The hell is that? Okay, you know what? We're going to go ahead and open up Firefox. Okay, we're going to search for Firefox. Okay, Firefox ESR. If you don't know what ESR means, that just means extended support release. What am I doing? If we go to settings, no. Oh my god. Where's the add-ons? Oh, there we go. Okay. Block. Yay! Add to Firefox. Okay, cool. Now we can go and... Now, what was I looking for? Nakajin Capsule Tower? Okay. Nakajin. Capsule Tower. Alright. Now that we've got our condom on... Okay. Wikipedia, tell me. Oh, okay. Huh. Aw. Due to its aging and land sale. Oh, that sucks. It was a pretty cool building, too. Oh, well. Alright, let's see here. Alright, well, we've seen this. Is there anything else we can sort of customize with this? I'm not seeing a way to do that. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, this is how you switch workspaces. And you have a little volume thing here. Configure desktop. Yeah, you got all this stuff we looked at already. Oh, panels. Okay. So you can add stuff. Let me see here. It's got a few things. Yeah, I don't want to delve too deeply in this because, yeah, we're already 37 minutes in, and I think this is only the second, desktop. So, let's see. Yeah, Lumina desktop. I think this will log us out, or you can use the one in here. No, I guess not. Okay, we're just gonna, yeah, log out. Okay. After Lumina, we'll try MLVWM. I've never heard of this before today. It says it's going to be Mac OS-like, so look forward to that, I guess, maybe. Okay. Oh, what? Oh, geez. Okay. Okay. Everything's tiny again. Oh. You can't see it here at home, but the title bar looks very classic Mac OS. Well, I say Mac OS, that's more like Mac System, like the Mac System series of OSs. Geez. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is not cooperating. Okay, is there a system settings app I can get to, please? Okay, let's try run it again. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this one might also be a wash. Just by virtue of the fact that I cannot... Oh, wait. Oh, what? What? What was that? I can't click on it now. What? Oh, God, what is this? Oh, it's the same... It's the same window, just embiggened itself. Oh, dear God. Okay. Yeah, this is... Oh, what's going on? What is going on here? Okay, here. Shit. Okay, there we go. Okay. Yeah, this is not going well. Show balloon help. Oh my god. Okay. How do I get out of here? Okay. We're just gonna log out of here. We're just gonna get rid of that. Just get out of that. We're just gonna get out of that. Okay. Now, I am excited for this one. Remember CDE? It's back in POG form. Okay. So, this is NSCDE, and it's... Okay. Sure. It's asking if we want to enable GTK2 theme integration. Sure. Do we want to enable GTK3 theme integration? Sure. Do you want to enable Qt 4 theme integration? Again, sure. Qt 5 integration? Sure. Okay. Qt 5 GTK engine theme integration, and then Qt 5 Quantum engine theme. Okay, I don't know what that is, but sure. Qt 6 theme. Yes. You want to enable NSCD specific visual pager preview on page workspace change. Sure. Do you want to remember last page on workspace when changing back to it? Yes. Sure, I will enable X screensaver. Do I want to enable Stallone tray? What? Okay, yeah. Do I want to enable color scheme integration with X settings daemon, X settings D? Sure. Do I want to enable dunce notification daemon? Sure. Do you want to enable PyCom X compositor? Okay, I guess they're recommending no on that one. Do you want to run RoFi launcher on Alt F12 or built-in exec dialog? Sure. Your favorite X file manager command, and it's recommending PCMan FM. Sure, we'll do PCMan FM. Your favorite X text editor? Yeah, we'll go with Mousepad. That's fine. Okay. Press return to finish startup. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay. Oh, so NSCDE stands for not so common desktop environment. Okay. It starts up with that, and then terminal up here. There's my cursor. It's friggin' tiny. Oh, that's a system monitor. Okay. Okay, so that's the system documentation. Oh, it's in Firefox. Oh, what happened there? Okay. That's not good. Okay, you know what? Okay, if you hit Control and scroll up in Firefox, it zooms in on the text. Okay, let's see if I can find... God damn it. Oh, dear God. Okay, come on. Is there a settings application? Okay, NSCD is largely a wrapper around FBWM. So, something like a heavyweight theme, sort of. Is there an application launcher here? That's a terminal. Hey, there's the clock. Oh, shit! Okay. Okay. Graphics and multimedia. Okay. Let's help. Desktop settings. Okay. Screen settings, maybe? Oh, yes! 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 Let's fucking go! Hell yeah! Oh! Oh, shit! You still with me? Yeah, okay. I can still see the audio on CD. Sorry. I'm piping. My microphone is plugged into a oh god. My microphone is plugged into a headphone amplifier. Okay, what is going on here? It's plugged into a headphone amplifier and uh-oh. Oh dear god. Okay, where's my cursor now? Oh shit. Shit. Well, okay. I can't find my... Okay, you know what? Can I change the background here so I don't keep losing my cursor? Here, style manager. Screen. Okay, there we go. Oh, this is X screensaver. Forcefully close, huh? Let's see here. Backdrop, okay. Let's try this one. No, it's still not working. Background. Bark. What's barrack? That's better. Oh, that's worse, actually. Is there a way I can change the color? Okay, much better. I can actually see my cursor. Okay. Okay. Close that. Okay. Go back to screen settings again. (1920 by 1080). Okay. What? No. Okay. Shit. Try that again. I keep losing my cursor even with that. Let's try this again. Okay. I don't understand. I don't understand how... oh my god, this is worse! This is worse! I don't get it! Ugh. I don't get it! What the hell? Ugh. Oh, what now? What the fuck now? Come on! There we go. Oh, for fuck's sakes! No! Oh, no, 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 no. What? Oh, dear God. I forgot to hit OK once. Wait. Maybe if we... okay. And then... no, I need the... thank you! Jesus Christ! Okay. Whew. Oh my God. Well... oh God. Yeah. Well, a couple things I do want to point out about this, and this does carry over to normal CD. When I mouse over a window, it changes focus to that window. And also, you can see up here, when I minimize my programs, where's my cursor? Oh God. Okay. When I minimize my programs, they just went up here like desktop icons. All right, let's get out of here. Let's get the fuck out of here. Let's make like a tree and get the fuck out of here. Confirm. Thank you. Oh my God. Doing this with this TV has been such a hassle sometimes. All right, let's try open box. Okay. Yeah, I just love how it didn't actually go down to 1080p. It just zoomed in to 1080p. What? Why would you do that? Okay, I don't know what that error is, but okay. Got Thunar here. So this is the open box. Okay, here we go. Settings. Display. And we're still on the CDE theme, but that's okay. You know, I've moved it to 1080p and I don't think anything's gotten bigger. But yeah, this is OpenBox. If you right click on the desktop, it basically gives you the equivalent of a start menu. It's super lightweight if you do it this way. That's why Bunsen Lab uses it. I'm not gonna mess with this any further. Oh god. This whole thing has been a clusterfuck. Okay, let's do PEC WM here and hope that I don't have to... I just know I'm gonna have to, like, restart the computer on one of these. Okay. Oh, God. System settings. No, that's just system. Is it under utilities? Under system. Oh, settings. Oh, God, I can't figure out. I can't figure out how to do this. Maybe... Lumina screen configuration. Please come and rescue me. 1920 by 1080. What? No! I don't even think it, yeah. God damn it. Okay. You know what? We'll just call this one a wash as well. Okay, log out. Yes, please, log out. Oh my god. You know, I don't see OpenBox Noir here. Maybe OpenBox Noir is just like a theme? I don't know. Saving sugar for last, because if anything is going to make me restart this computer, it's going to be sugar. Okay? Alright. We'll go to TDE next, which actually does have a pretty interesting history behind it. Now, this is a full-on desktop environment, so this should work better than some of those other ones. Okay. Okay, select preferred system behavior. Alright, I can't change the resolution right now, so I'm just going to say what the options are. So with TDE, you have window activation, focus on click, title bar double click, shade window, mouse selection, double click. So like if you want to click on an icon, you would double click it. Application startup notification, none. Keyboard scheme, Trinity default. If you go to Windows, okay, the differences are if you do a title bar double click, you maximize the window. And then the keyboard scheme is Windows, and those are the only differences. If we go to Unix, okay, the differences are window activation, focus follows mouse, like you saw before when I was playing with the CD or NSCD. And then title bar double click once again shades the window. Mouse selection is single click. So like you know how you like on Windows you double click on an icon on the desktop to open it. With this Unix behavior, you would just open that in one click. And keyboard scheme is Unix, and Mac OS. It goes back to focus on click, shade window. Mouse selection is single click once again, and the keyboard scheme is Mac. Okay. We'll just go with TDE. Okay. Oh, it offers many appealing visual special effects. Smooth fonts, previews in File Manager, and animated menus. All this beauty, however, comes at a small performance cost. Honestly, I think we can handle it. Oh, you can even show the details of what it, here. Yeah. Oh, if you go to the lowest one, it doesn't even give you a desktop wallpaper. Look at that. I know a lot of you probably can't see that, but the second option here is desktop wallpaper, and if you go all the way to the left, it doesn't even let you have that. All right, but we'll put it all the way over to the right. All right. Please choose the way your computer should look by selecting one of the items below. Ceramic, plastic, platinum, Redmond, sunshine, and TD Classic. I'll just go with the plastic as the default. Okay. And we can change things in the control center. Okay. My body is ready. My body is ready. Come on. Okay, there we go. Damn, what an epic starter jingle. Okay. Oh, we can just search. Display. System. Resolution. Okay, settings. Monitor settings. Yes! Get out of my way. This is spooky. This is the same monitor resolution that I saw on CDE. Please don't zoom in. Please don't zoom in. Please don't. It worked. Where is it? Display settings. Go away. Yes, everything is okay. Okay. Okay, goodbye. Okay, I don't care. I don't care about the error. Okay, I don't care about useful tips. Hey, release notes. Hold on. I need to turn my TV up. It makes a noise when you close the fucking windows. Yeah, actually. Dear God. Yeah, so if you want to go and try out different desktops on Sparky Linux, maybe do them one at a time. Jesus Christ. Oh, man. Yeah. Okay. Web browser. Hey, look, it's Conqueror, the greatest web browser of all time. How do I know it's the greatest web browser of all time? Because everybody else fucking stole from it. So a little bit of info for you. Okay. Most people these days use Chrome or Safari if they're on an iPhone or a Mac and they don't care about changing their browser. Okay. Conqueror uses a rendering engine called KHTML, okay? And Apple forked KHTML to create WebKit, which they use in Safari. And WebKit was also used in a whole bunch of other browsers back in the day, including Chrome, right? And of course, Chrome eventually forked that engine into the Blink engine. So there's this whole lineage back to KHTML. So yeah, greatest web browser of all time right here. Yeah. Let's see here. Let's close that. Let's close that. I said close it. But yeah. So the story behind Trinity desktop environment is okay. I thought my screen was like really dirty for a second. Your screen's not dirty. They just have a really weird background for the file manager. But yeah, no. So the story behind Trinity desktop environment is that when before KDE 4 rolled around, there was KDE 3.5, and then the KDE actually, did they call it KDE Plasma at that point? I'm not sure. They might have started calling it KDE Plasma after KDE Plasma after KDE 4, but I digress. Okay, so the KDE project came out with KDE 4, and I'm going to tell you, I've tried to use KDE 4 back in the day. It sucked. Oh my god, it was so bad. It was really fugly, for one. It was really slow and terrible. I've talked before about how I tried out Linux first with Crouton on my old Chromebook. Well, I tried to use KDE 4 on that Chromebook. Slideshow City, baby. Hot damn, that was terrible. So I can see why people might have wanted to fork it and keep the KDE 3.5 paradigm. It's a very similar story with to what you had with Mate and GNOME, right? You know, they went from GNOME 2 to GNOME 3, and everybody was like, this sucks. Although I do not think that GNOME 3 sucked quite as much as KDE 4, but I might be biased because I didn't use GNOME until a few revisions in. Because remember, I didn't even start looking at Linux until like 2015, and that transition happened in 2010. So they had about 5 years of updates to, fix their shit. KDE 4 still sucked at the time, though, so no excuses. No fucking excuses. But yeah, yeah, I don't... switch to kickoff menu style. What's this? What? What is this? I don't get it. What is kick? I can't right-click it. I can't right-click it. Ah! Oh, dear God! Okay, there we go. So, yeah. So you can use the stand on Derp x8664. But yeah, yeah, this is, you can kind of see, oh, for fuck's sakes. You can kind of see the lineage here between some of the menus in KDE 5 and 6. Well, we're on KDE 6 now. You can kind of see the lineage here. Yeah, what applets do I have here by default? Create session menu. Non-TDE application launcher. Huh. Quick file browser, quick launcher, recent documents, runaway process catcher. Yeah. Like I said, yeah, we're already past an hour, so not gonna spend too much time messing with it. If I ever use a browser that actually uses it, or an OS that actually uses one of these desktops, then for sure I'll go a little bit more in depth. But, you know, again, I just wanted to have like a sampler of, okay, that's the file manager, kind of a sampler of these desktops. Yeah. But yeah, if we go here, oh look, it's the Trinity desktop homepage. Last update was on the latest news was in November. Okay. It's a maintenance release. Okay, so the last maintenance release was in what is this? What is this? Ah, they must have really customized their system. So it's good to know you could do some crazy shit with even as far back as KDE 3. Because I'm pretty sure this is a lot more concern. I mean, they even kept Conqueror. Conqueror is so old, it doesn't even have browser tabs. If I middle click on the logo here, it just opens a new window. I gotta tell you, browser tabs were like a revelation to me. Okay, when I first figured out how to use browser tabs, that was like, oh, because when I first got on the internet, it was okay. Actually, it was with AOL browser. We very briefly had AOL, and I think this was back in like 2004, 2005, because my mother was very tech illiterate, and I mean, I wasn't like completely tech illiterate. We had computer class at school, and my cousins, you know, who lived next door, kind of helped us out, but you know, it was kind of rough, you know, learning the ins and outs of my computer. But you know, when we started out with that stupid AOL, and then we got, you know, DSL through Verizon at the time, and I used Internet Explorer 6 just because I didn't really know any better, you know? And then, so funny story, the reason I stopped using Internet Explorer is because, there was a website called Jay's Games that I used to frequent. And, and one day I looked at the website and it was like, hey, either we're not going to support Internet Explorer 6 anymore, either upgrade to Internet Explorer 7 or switch to Firefox 3. Do not, you know, we're not going to support IE6 anymore. And so I was like, okay, and I tried to upgrade to Internet Explorer 7 and something went wrong. I forget what. And I was like really frustrated. And I emailed Jay Bibby, the owner of Jay's Games. I emailed him and I was like, hey man, I tried to upgrade, but like it didn't work. And I was, you know, I just, you know, it's really hard for me. You know, I just wanted to let you know, like, this is why some people stay on Internet Explorer 6. And he was like, hey, he actually emailed me back and was really cool about it. He was like, hey man, you know, I really recommend you try out Firefox 3. It's so much better. And I did. I tried Firefox 3 and it was better. I did not look back at Internet Explorer since. I am still a little nostalgic for it though, just because, you know, I kind of grew up with it. But yeah, it's thank you, Jay Bibby, for turning me on to Firefox. I forgot about the noise when you close the windows. But yeah, I think we will call it here for TDE. And we're gonna log out. Oh wow. That's some nice eye candy right there. Okay. And next up, We are going to do Window Maker, and after that, we'll finish off with the Sugar desktop. Okay, Stan. Okay, so this is Window Maker. If you're into old computers, you might recognize this. This is already not going well. Oh dear God. Okay. Applications. System. Hardware. Oh. Utility. Screen. Window Maker. Preferences. Okay. Placement. Focus modes. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Hot corners. I didn't know they had hot corners this far back. Or maybe they didn't, and this is kind of a modern re-implementation of like Next Step. Like the Next Step desktop. Oh no. Okay, we're gonna have to keep looking. Oh shit. Oh, come on. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything that'll let me change the damned resolution. Again. Damn it. I should have done this in a virtual machine. Maybe that would have been better. Oh dear God. I'm clicking on the background, and it's not. Okay, yeah, I think this one's a wash. Exit Window Maker. Yes, please exit. Dear God, please exit. Okay, and finally, let's do Sugar. Yeah, that's kind of a shame because Window Maker is like, yeah, I was really looking forward to trying that when I saw it was in the options. Okay, here we go. This is Sugar. Okay. And you probably can't see this, but this is where you select your grade. You have the option of preschool, kindergarten, first grader, second grader, third grader, fourth grader, fifth grader, sixth grader, seventh grader, high school, and adult. I, of course, am an adult. So you might be able to guess what this is. Let me see if I can figure out how to change the resolution so you can actually see things. Okay, let me get my phone. Because I'm really interested in showing this one to you as well. Ugh, come on, you piece of garbage. Sugar desktop resolution. While I'm looking for that, just a little bit of history behind this. You remember the one laptop per child thing that they had many years ago? Because I remember seeing that on the news and thinking that it was pretty neat. Well, this interface called Sugar is what shipped on that. So now you can basically install this desktop onto anything, and it's for education. Seriously, where are the options? Where are the settings? They did come out with an operating system called Sugar on a Stick, which was basically just you could install Sugar anywhere. Okay. Yeah. To access my settings page, okay. Go to the home viewer and oh, wait, shit. Okay. Okay. My settings. Frame? No. Modem, network, software updates, background, about me. About my computer. Damn it! You can't how do I change the resolution? Come on! Ah! Ugh. Well, things are big enough. I think you can kind of see them in well enough that maybe we can make this work. Okay, so we got calculate. That's a calculator. Oh yeah, this thing is fuck huge. Oh my god. And those are extra functions. Then we can click that to go back here. And then there's an inbuilt web browser. But yeah, this interface was made to be as simple as possible. All right, so because this was made for this is made for kids in third world countries for whom English is not their first language. They have the journal here, just a whole bunch of education features. If I can, I'm trying to use the, oh god, what? Oh, and I just doxed myself. That's just fucking great. How, yeah, okay. So, yeah, okay, well, I think we're done here. I don't know how I haven't doxed myself earlier, because I completely forgot about stuff. Is my, yeah, okay. Yeah, so I think we'll call it there. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm gonna have to fucking censor that, and so that sucks. But, hey, again, thanks for watching. Happy New Year. This is the first video of the new year, and I hope to make lots of new videos for you in the future. This year, I think we're going to get a little weird. I think, outside of the new Fedora and Ubuntu releases this April, I'm going to try some non-Linux operating systems. I'm going to try some more obscure ones like Slackware, and I might even try to install Arch Linux the Arch way. Maybe. We'll see. But, yeah, no, also, what, I do want to try Haiku. That'll probably be a complete disaster. But something else I want to do, I want to have a BSD month where I just look at BSDs. BSDs are not Linux, they are proper Unixes. Linux is just Unix-like, okay? So hopefully we can do that, and that'll be fun and great, and I won't regret it. Yeah. All right. Have a great day and a happy New Year. Bye-bye.